Hello everyone, I'm Noelia and today I will introduce you our diffusion stones. Diffusion stones will not only enable you to aerate wort at the outlet of the heat exchanger, thus improving fermentation, but also carbonate beer inside the fermenter, resulting in an optimization of carbonation time and operating costs. To meet the needs of home brewers as well as industrial breweries, this product is available in sizes from 100 to 500 millimeters. To oxygenate wort at the outlet of the heat exchanger, use our oxygenation kit, which includes a 100 mm stone. In order to achieve this, inject air or oxygen through the stone. Bear in mind that when using an oxygen tank, it is crucial not to over-oxygenate the wort. To optimize the usage of this kit, the wort should enter through the butterfly valve and exit through the side glass. In this way, you will ensure that you make the most of the surface of the stone inside the tea. For carbonation, install the stone on a side connection of the fermenter. The lower the connection is made, the better performance is reached. To increase the efficiency of this product, at Jeklo we offer a check valve as an optional extra. These valves allow a flow in a single direction, which will enable you, unlike opening-closing valves, such as a ball valve, to gradually inject CO2, starting at a low pressure and slowly increasing it. In this way, a better CO2 infusion is achieved, avoiding the loss of aroma in your product. Carbonation stones requires special cleaning due to their porous surface, where clogging particles may lodge. This is why you may need to use our carbonation stone cleaning kit. With this kit, you will be able to inject a 5% alkaline solution through the CO2 inlet of the stone, which is pushed with air compressor. First, connect the stone with the check valve to the kit. Second, fill the kit with the alkaline solution. Once full, connect the clamp connector with the Dawn gas to the kit. Then connect the air compressor tube. Inject pressure with the compressor, allowing the alkaline solution to pass through the pores. Repeat the process until all pores are totally unclogged. Finally, remember that you can place your orders through our online shop, or you can also contact one of our sales representatives.